Today I'm going to share with you 6 effective ways to safely lose face fat fast. That's a tongue twister. And you can do this in as little as 2 to 3 days. You will start to see significant changes, and this just helps you feel motivated to continue doing the same safely like I suggest. This video is one of the episodes in my Face Yoga for Face Shape series. So make sure you watch all the episodes in this series if you want to improve your face shape naturally. Never think of fast weight loss to have a positive effect on your face. A few weeks ago, I talked about Ozempic face, and that as a result of rapid body weight loss, how your face can start looking more haggard when it loses fat quickly. So I'm ready to jump in with tip number 1. Firstly, you cannot spot reduce in one place. So if you have expedited your cardio or fat burning workouts and you hope that losing weight will give you that chiseled jawline quickly, then don't be surprised if you land up with that runner's face, where your face starts to look more haggard. So my first suggestion definitely is to up your cardio workout, but avoid long distance running, skipping rope, anything where you need to skip, jump, bounce, or run a lot, especially outdoor. Try and reduce that. Work out indoor to also avoid sun damage to your skin. This one mistake alone can cause skin thinning, and it can also damage the collagen in your skin, making your face fat loss look not very pleasant. Instead, do multiple short sprints. Do cardio exercises like elliptical, bike, or calisthenics workouts. The progressive nature of these workouts provides enough challenge to any level, so you can burn calories and also build muscle simultaneously, but ultimately safely losing fat loss in your body. Personally, it not only helped my face, but my joints too. Tip number 2. Start your face yoga, your facial exercises a few weeks before you start these quick weight loss tips that I'm sharing with you. Include facial calisthenics, which is more like the weight training for your face that will start to tone the muscles underneath the skin. So as you start losing your body fat and your facial fat, instead of your skin becoming saggy and thin, you start to develop that plumpness and firmness under your skin because of the muscle development. Make sense? Join me in this exercise and you will start to see how your muscles start to feel that burn, that fatigue, and that means that that exercise is working. Place 2 fingers from each hand between your nasolabial folds and your marionette lines where you notice those deep folds and wrinkles. Hold them down. Step 2, make this lip posture. Not this, this. You're diagonally stretching your face forward, so press this here, this, and then you're going to try and lift your cheeks without letting the skin in this part move, which is pressed against your finger. So this, do this exercise for 1 minute and you will be able to feel burn not only in your cheek muscles here that help keep your high cheekbone elevated to give you that triangle of youth. It also helps your nasolabial folds and all the wrinkles that you start seeing around this area, especially when you start losing facial fat. So very important to keep your face lifted in this area. Let me know in the comments below if you did it for 1 minute. Did you start feeling the burn in your face, under your lips, upper lip, nasolabial fold, and cheeks? So many areas you can target with one exercise. Imagine if you did my masterclass, what you would go through. I go through a whole series of lifestyle changes that you can make that can improve the aging mistakes that you're making, cut those out. Just fixing that can help you age much better. Apart from that, there is a face yoga routine that you can catch up on. I hosted this recently, but if you could not make it, it is available on my website. Do check it out. Apart from that, I have launched finally the 21-day face mastery course. This was in demand since last 1 year and I have been working on it, and finally it is available. This is where you can start your 21-day face yoga journey. If you are a beginner, if you are somebody new, if you have had a little bit of exposure about face yoga and how exercises can help, then I really want you to dive deeper and understand how a weekly routine, a daily routine can actually help you. Every day the workout routines are different. They go in a sequence, in an order, to help you anti-age, to help you look better with multiple signs of aging that you may not even have thought of up till now. These courses and option to work with me one-on-one can all be found in the description below. So go ahead and hit the link and explore for yourself. Tip number 3 that I follow religiously is to chew on coconut. It's not only a healthy fat that will keep the plumpness in your face, but if you have seen when you chew coconut how your jaw starts to hurt, then I want to know from you in the comments below. It literally works on all your muscles involved here. If you're looking to get that chiseled jawline, reduce your double chin and get a better shape in this whole area, then all I want you to do is try and take a bigger bite of coconut and chew on it. You will notice when you take a bigger bite, you have to make those exaggerated chewing motions. It can't just be, and your complete jaw is engaged. Do this for a couple of minutes and you will start to feel the fatigue in your cheeks, in your double chin, and in your jawline. This is not only helpful for people who have cheek fat, but also for people who already have sunken cheeks and you want to develop that muscle in this area so you have better shape in your cheeks. Try this. Connected to this, yet another tip is to eat more fibrous food items like coconut, carrots, celery sticks, or spices like fennel seeds or even cardamom. So there you go, you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Eat more fiber. It is one of the most popular recommendations for slimming your face and for losing cheek fat. Notice the fiber in these items. So this fiber is a substance in plant-based foods that your body doesn't absorb after you consume it. Instead, it moves slowly through your digestive tract. This keeps you feeling fuller for longer. So in this way, you can help curb craving and decrease appetite. So this only helps you lose weight faster. Now in this way, when you lose weight on your face, it won't just leave empty pockets of that sunken face, and your facial fat pads won't just drop down rapidly, because at the same time, you were also building muscles in your cheeks that will maintain your face shape. Even if your body and face fat reduces, you want to lose weight on your face, but not at the cost of looking older. I have a client of mine, she's been working with me now for over a year. She's close to 70, or actually turning 70 now. When she came to me, she had completely sunken cheeks and multiple nasolabial folds, multiple lines around this area when she smiled. So I created a customized routine for her, and when she saw the results from face yoga routine in the first 2 months, she decided to try it for a longer period of time. And now she's been training with me just like she trains with a physical fitness trainer for her physical fitness in a gym, because consistency shows results. Tip number 4. Sometimes what you think of is fat could actually be more of facial bloating, puffiness. It could be also because of just water retention. Now this could happen because of excessive salt. Avoid salty snacks and prefer home-cooked food instead of takeouts. One trademark symptom of excess sodium intake is bloating, which may contribute to facial puffiness and swelling. And that is because sodium causes your body to hold on to that extra water, and that is called fluid retention. Tell me, when you eat a full bag of chips or popcorns at a movie, next morning, do you wake up with dehydrated lips? Do you wake up with that water retention in your body? You can see it and feel it in your body, but it's most evident on your lips. Write it in the comments below. Talking about dehydrated lips, tip number 5 is about avoiding dehydration in your body. Studies show that water can keep you feeling full, and it can also enhance your weight loss. In fact, one small study even found that Drinking water before a meal, I would say about an hour before a meal, and try to drink warm water, significantly decreases the number of calories that you consume during that meal. Other research also suggests that drinking water may temporarily increase your metabolism, increasing the number of calories that you burn over the course of day. Now, this can only help you boost that weight loss without affecting your face shape negatively. Excessive alcohol intake may actually contribute to weight gain, and this includes your face as well. It could also single-handedly cause dehydration and water retention and decreased feeling of fullness, so you'll end up eating more. It could also increase inflammation. So this is not just associated with risk of gaining weight or increased belly fat or obesity, but ultimately on your face as well. So cut down on drinking alcohol. And here comes the sixth tip: sleep deprivation. It can cause an increase in the levels of stress hormone that's called cortisol. Now, high cortisol levels come with a long list of potential side effects, including weight gain. Sleep deprivation can alter your metabolism and increase food intake, your weight gain, and your cortisol levels. Therefore, getting enough sleep may actually help you increase that facial fat loss. There are multiple studies done on this, and they have proven that high cortisol level can increase your appetite and it can alter your metabolism. Now, this results in increased fat storage. I've experienced this myself. There was a time when I used to stay up till late night working. Of course, I binged on unnecessary snacks in the middle of the night, but next day, even if I worked out, I felt hungry. I ate more, I consumed more snacks. I was drawn towards unhealthy snacks, but when I sleep peacefully for those 7 to 8 hours, my energy levels are high the next day. I drink less coffee naturally. I do not gravitate towards wrong food items, and I feel motivated to take care of myself better. I'm more productive. There are so many advantages when that cortisol level is low. You may not realize it, but just try to increase your sleep and get better rested, good quality sleep, and you will start to notice this change in your life too. All these tips that I mentioned together are very easy way, they're natural ways to lose that fat, to lose the fat not only in your body but also from your face at a little bit of a faster pace, but in a safer way. And the best part is they're easy to execute, so I know a lot of you might be motivated to start doing these today. Let me know how this works out for you and what are the topics that you want me to cover in my upcoming videos. If you found value in this video, then the subscribe button is waiting there and saying, please hit this subscribe button so that you can watch Parmita's videos every week. Make sure you catch up on other videos that I will link below as a recommendation, and also some of the playlists that I highly recommend. Right below this video is a like button, the share button, so you can share this video with someone, and make sure you leave your precious comments that I read and draw inspiration from. And you will also find a join button. Click that join button and become a member on this channel, so you can not only support my channel, but you also get other benefits that other viewers do not. Here are all my social media handles that you will also find in the description below. So please go ahead and spend a few minutes in the description below because they add a lot of value. There are some amazing deals. There are discount codes on some of the products that I recommend. So please go check them out and be here next week because I'll be back here with yet another exciting episode on Face Yoga for Face Shape series, or yet another episode on Blush with Me channel. I'll see you next week. Until then, blush with me.